Hi Bingsu friends! It's been a long while, so I'm making a video again, and I just wanted to share with you what I'll be doing for the rest of the week. For now, at work, we're starting to get busy on patterns because we're starting a new play. It's entitled You Can Take It With You, and we've already done the sizing, so now I'm going to be tracing a lot of patterns for the costumes. So this is a periodic historical kind of play. So we are based in the 1930s. Join me this week here in Gems Bingsu. As I have mentioned earlier, we are working on lots of patterns for this upcoming play. It's fun to see and experience the process of not only sewing but also the pre-sewing part. That's kind of fun but also repetitive. At first, I was really enjoying the cutting and tracing part, but as you know, when you're doing something repeatedly for hours and hours, I just miss sewing when I do that. So I'm just so excited to finish the cutting, and after that we'll be assembling all of the dresses and clothes for the cast members to fit into. The space inside our office has gotten smaller for me because I am tracing bigger patterns, and so I transferred to the scene shop. This is where the other theater workers make structures or backgrounds for the plays, and this is a shared space, so I am just hurrying at this part to finish before the other workers use it. At this point, I'm not listening to music anymore when I'm working, but listen to podcasts. My boss is teaching the costume design class for this semester, so she asked me to print out copies of these croquis. That's what they call them. It's a pattern of the human figure so that the students can draw on top of them, and right now I'm printing copies for both male and female, 25 copies for each, but since I already tested out 2, I'll just print out 23. I feel excited every time the papers get printed out, and it's also nice to look outside when I'm in here in the printing room. I'm here at the teachers faculty building. I printed out some around ones, so I'm just shredding them in this paper shredder. It feels so satisfying to shred paper. And then I come back to the office, and I was tasked to pick out jewelry for the cast members. It's quite difficult because we don't have a lot of selections for this one. I think we need to find more jewelry so we have more things to choose from, but I still try to work with what we have, and I found some cute pieces that we can use for the characters, especially for the sycamores. It's a weekend, and join me as I make some Mayak eggs. It's the first time that I'm making this recipe. I hope I have success.